Hey people, well here's another fan I have to show but haven't got around to. This is probably 1960's Manning Bowman by McGraw Edison, model 12509 12-inch box fan. Yeah, this is my other 12-inch McGraw Edison, the other one being that Eskimo that I showed in another video, whose model number I can't remember at the moment. This fan's in better shape than the Eskimo. Pretty much the only cosmetic issue, these spots where the paint's chipped off, especially that big spot right there. Other than that, the cabinet seems to be in pretty much mint condition. And this also comes with the original box. You know, you got the MB for Manning Bowman. There's all the information. 12-inch breeze box. As you can see, the fan on the diagram shows a 20-inch box fan, even though this is a 12-inch with 4 blades instead of 3 blades shown on the diagram. Here's the side. Another McGraw Edison product. The other side and the back are the same. Nothing really on the top. Anyway, back to the fan. Have an overall look at this and fire it up. Here's the one side. It's got the cord coming out the side. As you can see, it's this sort of tannish gray color, as the Manning Bowmans of that era were. Or most of them anyway. I think like in the early 70s they went to being like an olive green. Here's the other side. And the back. It's got the same 0.9 amp motor as the Eskimo brand one. Top. Yeah, this one still has its original handle, unlike the Eskimo, which I think has like a screen door handle bolted to it. Here's the speed plate and dial. Manning Bowman from the Manning Bowman division of McGraw Edison, model 12509. 3-speed. I think some of these under the Manning Bowman brand had a black dial and probably black ends to the handle or something like that. If they did have a black dial, maybe it's the later ones. Well, here it is running. It's high. Runs just about the same as the Eskimo. There's medium. Not much difference in the speeds. At least between high and medium. And here's low. Back to high. And as always, double F spells off. And it has pretty good coast down time too. And just like the Eskimo and pretty much all the small McGraw Edison box fans from that time, the blades, as you can see, spin counterclockwise. And there you have it. It's my 1960s or so Manning Bowman by McGraw Edison, model 12509 12-inch box fan with the original box. So, thank you for watching.